The Basics book by Dutch for Doctors.
Written by Dutch language teacher Annelie Poker.
Thank you for watching. In this video, we will present the Basics book from Dutch for Doctors.
You can purchase the Basics book on demand through our website. It comes with English subtitles.
The Basics book is the first volume in the three-part Dutch for Doctors series. This book takes a practical and systematic approach to mastering Dutch, specifically designed for beginners and professionals such as dentists and doctors. With 270 pages, it provides a thorough and well-structured foundation for learning Dutch. The book is organized into 7 detailed chapters, complemented by additional materials to further enhance your understanding. The first chapter is about Dutch pronunciation. This chapter focuses on the basics of Dutch sounds, including diphthongs and consonant combinations. The second chapter is about basic skills. Here, you learn the fundamentals, such as the Dutch telephone alphabet, counting, days of the week, months, and seasons. Benefit: practical knowledge for everyday communication, useful in conversations and appointments. Chapter 7. A must-read for doctors and dentists. This chapter dives into the art of patient communication, making it both engaging and practical. Through realistic scenarios like greetings, patient interviews, and explaining treatments, you'll master essential skills for effective interaction in a dental or medical setting. Why it's valuable? Tailored specifically for healthcare professionals, it equips you to communicate confidently with patients. Additional material includes word lists with dental terminology, explanations of symptoms, and even informal scenarios such as ordering in a restaurant. Benefit: comprehensive vocabulary coverage for both professional and personal situations. It offers both theoretical knowledge and practical tools for immediate application. Thank you for watching. Join my online classes on Zoom and explore my books at www.dutchfordoctors.nl.